Good morning, children. Once again, welcome all of you in Maths online class. This is Manish Singh. Students, in previous video, I have explained you rational number and I have also solved some question of exercise 4a. In this video, means today, firstly we'll be discussing about the previous homework and then we solve the remaining question of the exercise 4a. So let's start now, and today's the first question means third question of the exercise 4a. What was? Write a rational number with denominator or numerator. So minus 15 upon 16 as a rational number with denominator 48 means denominator is here given. So you find the numerator. So how we can find? By multiplying same number in numerator and denominator. So I have explained also in previous video how we can find this type question. So firstly you match the denominator and denominator because we have a denominator already 48 and 16. When we match the 16 and 48, then we get, because table of 16 3s are 48, 16 3s are 48. So आपको यहाँ 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा in numerator and denominator both. So when we multiply 3 by numerator means minus 15, then we get the minus 45 and then 16 3 then 48. In next question means question number 4 is saying write 19 upon minus 5 with the numerator or any denominator or any numerator is given, but here is the numerator is given. Write the 19 upon minus 5 as a rational number with the numerator 95 minus 95. What is given here? Numerator is saying the minus 95 and you have what we have not. We need the denominator. So how we can find the denominator? Rule, compare the numerator and numerator. What we have a numerator, so we can compare the numerator 19 and 95. Don't think about the minus 19 and 95. So firstly find the number. 19 5s are table, 19 5s are 95, then there is a given minus, so you can multiply by minus 5. So when we multiply 19 upon minus 5 multiply by minus 5 multiply by minus 5, then we get the what? 19 5s are 95 and 5 5s are 25 minus plus, then answer will be minus 95 upon 25. Then 6 question of the rational number. Write in a standard form, and how we can write a standard form. Listen, there is a two things important. Firstly, if denominator is given in a negative form, अगर डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव फॉर्म में है तो पहले आप उसको कन्वर्ट करोगे पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में. एंड हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट वेरी वेल, बिकॉज आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन अ प्रीवियस वीडियो हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट. मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय -1 इन ए न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ. इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर both. So what is your number? Minus 36 upon 84. So 36 and 84. Listen, you can find the number. You need the highest number which is divides 36 and 84. So how we can find? We find by two methods. By the SCF of numerator and denominator, but this is a long process and this is a time taken process. You can easily solve if you know one thing's what? Good table. So because 36, compare 36 and 84, Anywhere you can find the 36 and 84. In which table you can find 36 and 84? Good. In 12, because 12 3s are 36 and 12 7s are 84. So you can cancel the numerator and denominator directly by 12. 12 3s are, then answer minus 3 upon 7. 12 7s are 84. But if you know, if any problem in a table, you can cancel one by one. 36 and 84 both are even number. So 36 and 84 both are even number. So these number cancelled by 2, and you cancel, then we get the 18 upon 42, because 18 to the 36. Then these 18 and 42 minus 18 and 42 is also divisible, again is divisible by 2. 9 and 21. Then minus 9 and upon 21 is divisible by which number? 3. Minus 3 upon 7. Now next is a question number 8. Which is greater? So how we can compare the, listen, same process or same method here we apply. Which method? फ्रैक्शन. फ्रैक्शन जिस तरह आप कंपेयर करते हो वैसे यहाँ कंपेयर कर सकते हो. हमको हमारे पास कंपेयर करने के लिए वी हैव अ टू मेथड फॉर द कंपेयरिंग. विच वन? फर्स्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड सेकंड बाय LCM, least common multiple. So which is greater? So how we can compare any number when we have a two fraction, only two fraction? What is here given? Minus 5 upon 9 and 11 upon minus 6. So you can compare by the cross multiplication. But so look here, what? Cross multiplication by compare. But here look here, what? This is a rational number, and firstly we observe the negative number. If negative number denominator is given negative number, so firstly we convert denominator in negative positive form. तो रेशनल नंबर में सबसे पहले आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि रेशनल नंबर का डिनोमिनेटर कहीं नेगेटिव तो नहीं है. अगर नेगेटिव है तो आप उसको पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. एंड हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट इन पॉजिटिव फॉर्म? यू नो very well. So by cross multiplication, which number? Here is no number, means numerator to denominator, and this fraction numerator to denominator. But firstly we convert the denominator in positive form. How we can convert? Multiplying by minus 1 in numerator and denominator both. In numerator and denominator both. So minus 5, or you can convert directly. One look here how like is here 4 upon minus 9. So you can write this minus in numerator and write the directly 4 minus 4 upon 9, because when we after the multiplication you again find the what? Minus 11 upon 6. So you can write directly minus 5 upon 6 multiply by minus 11 upon 6. Which multiplication? Cross multiplication, means this denominator multiply by this numerator multiply by this denominator. So when we multiplying this number, then we get what? Minus 30 and minus 99. So minus 30 and minus 99, which one greater? This is no, this is not greater, because this is the rule of negative left side. Which side? Right side number. Listen, on the number line right side number always will be greater than left side number, means in the negative smaller number is greater. मतलब नेगेटिव फॉर्म में अगर नंबर है तो जितना स्मॉलर नंबर होगा वो इतना ही ग्रेटर होगा. यू नो, बिकॉज माइनस व्हाट? minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. So look here, so minus 19 is greater than, no, minus 30 is greater than minus 9. 49. So hence minus 5 upon 9 is greater than minus 11 upon minus 6. Now next is a arrange in ascending and descending order, same as arrange in ascending and descending order, because this type question you have already done in a previous classes. बेटा फ्रैक्शन जैसे आप करते हो ना वैसे ही रेशनल नंबर होगा, बस वहाँ यहाँ एक चीज डिफरेंस है, क्या? डिनोमिनेटर, कभी कभी डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस आ जाता है और कभी कभी न्यूमरेटर में माइनस रहता है। तो जब डिनोमिनेटर माइनस रहेगा तो आपको पता है आपको चेंज करना है उसको पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में, और कैसे करना है ये आपको पता है। सो दिस इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर एंड यू नो हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट एनी, हाउ वी कैन राइट एनी असेंडिंग ऑर्डर बाय एलसीएम मेथड. So firstly look here, minus 3 upon 7, 5 upon minus 14, minus 7 upon 12. So compare the denominator. Here is a one denominator in negative form. Which one? Minus 14. So firstly we write in a positive form. After written, then we get what? Minus 3 upon 7, minus 5 upon 14, minus 7 upon 12. Then LCM of 7, 12 and 14 will be 84. After the LCM, then LCM, this LCM is, we can write as a common denominator of all the fraction or rational number. So here we make the equivalent, like as a last question, rational number, write rational number with the numerator or denominator. So this is a denominator. So here is question is saying minus 3 upon 7, write the rational number as a denominator 84. सो 84 डिनोमिनेटर के साथ इसको राइट करना है, तो बस आप वैसे ही करते जाओ. माइनस 3 अपॉन 7 इज इक्वल टू 84 कैसे आया? कंपेयर द 7 and 8, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 12. सो यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई इन बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. आपको पता है नंबर एक नंबर से हमको दोनों में सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, अलग अलग या डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नंबर से नहीं कर सकते. सो माइनस 36 अपॉन 84, देन अगेन सेम प्रोसेस, माइनस 5 अपॉन 14, 6, 18, 14, 6 are 84, compare the 14 and 84, then we get the 6, then minus 30, minus 7 upon 12, same as 12 7s are 84, then this is a minus, now look here, minus 14 upon 84, then minus 30 upon 84, then minus 36 upon 84. So you can say minus 36, minus 30, minus 49. So compare here which one is स्मॉलर. आपको पता है नेगेटिव नंबर में जो जितना ग्रेटर होता है वो इतना छोटा होता है, उतना स्मॉलर होता है. सो 49 इज ग्रेटर देन, सो माइनस 49 इज स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर देन माइनस 36 एंड लास्ट इज माइनस 30, एंड देन आंसर विल बी minus 7 upon 12 is then minus 3 upon 7 and then minus 5 upon 12. This is the ascending order, means you know that smaller to greater, smaller to greater. So this is the ascending order. So the student, this was all about for the today, means all about of the exercise 4a. So exercise 4a is here finished now, and you write every question in a note copy. This is a compulsory, you have to write everything in a note copy and then solve the homework properly. And today's homework is solve the question number 8, 11 and 12 from exercise 4a. So students, thank you and take care.